Ever wonder why do we need to go to the bathroom, powder room, comfort room, or what we call the restroom? That is because our excretory system is at work. And you're probably wondering, what is this system all about? Well, I'm going to discuss this with you, and today's lesson is with this particular system, which what we called the excretory system. The excretory system is the body system that separates and gives off waste from the body, usually as urine or sweat. The excretory system is located in the lower abdomen and has many parts. First and foremost, the kidney, which is the most important part of the excretory system. So these are the parts of our excretory system. First, we have the kidneys, which is the important part of our body as well as the heart. Because with the kidneys, okay, so each kidney is supplied with blood from the renal artery, and definitely humans have two kidneys located on the lower abdomen on the right and on the left. Next is the urethra, and we also have the urethra, the urinary bladder, the skin which excretes sweat, the lungs, and also we have the liver, which changes the ammonia, which is a poisonous product of protein digestion into urine. Then how does the excretory system help us when we sweat? So while the excretory system relies on regular periodic functions to dispose of routine waste like carbon dioxide and urine, the system also takes advantage of the body's natural cooling system to remove toxins from the body. When a person becomes hot, all of part of the skin may begin to excrete liquid known as perspiration, or what we call sweat. As the sweat evaporates into the air, it carries heat away from the body and generates a cooling effect. So the excretory system takes advantage of this function by providing waste liquids through the tiny sweat glands to accomplish the cooling effect. For this reason, sweat is not pure water. Instead, it is a solution of approximately 94% water and 6% waste products, while also keeping it cool. So how does the excretory system work? So the excretory system, the body's built-in waste removal device, is closely tied to the circulatory system. As the heart pumps blood around the body, the blood carries fresh oxygen to various cells and organs, then picks up waste products like carbon dioxide, salts, and urea. The circulatory system carries these waste components in blood and driven by the heart to the main organ of the excretory system, the kidneys. As the blood products arrive, the kidneys perform a filtration process that removes hazardous toxins and products and that the body cannot use from water and nutrients and can be reclaimed and recycled. The kidneys return the reclaimed water back to the body, but mix the waste products into a liquid waste compound known as urine.
Urethritis is the inflammation of the urethra, which is a tube carrying urine from the bladder to outside the body. The urethra is susceptible to getting afflicted by infection because it's exposed to one end. The causes are gonorrhea and chlamydia, which is sexually transmitted disease. The symptoms are difficulty in starting urination, sharp pain while urinating, itching, discomfort, pain even without urinating, frequent urge to urinate, discharge from the urethral opening, pain during sex in men, blood in semen, or in the urine. A wide variety of antibiotics can be used to treat urethritis. If it is difficult to find the exact organism causing the disease, the doctor recommends a combination of various antibiotics that will be effective in treating the infection.
Bladder cancer. When various cells present in the bladder cancer start growing abnormally, bladder cancer develops. These abnormally growing cells develop mutations and go out of control and do not die. They finally form a tumor. Unfortunately, the exact cause of bladder cancer is unknown to be the experts. However, it has been linked to certain things like parasitic infection, smoking, chemical exposure, and radiation. Some common symptoms of this are pelvic pain, painful urination, back pain, frequent urination, and blood in urine. The common treatment for this are chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, and
Medical
intravesical
term for the
therapy.
inflammation of the bladder. It is the common urinary tract infection because the bladder is the place where the urine is stored in the body until the bladder is full. Only after which does the person feel the need to urinate. This is one of the causes of the bladder infection. Bacterial infection, reaction to particular medication, long-term use of catheter, radiation therapy, and underlying illness. Symptoms, difficulty or pain while urinating, blood in urine, cloudy urine, sharp pain, and soreness in the lower abdomen, foul smelling urine. Treatment, antibiotics for bacterial cystitis. For other types of cystitis, the cause determines the treatment.
Kidney stones. Kidney stones are small calcium deposits that are seen in the nephrons. This stone could also be in large size, may get infected, and in some cases may even descend to the urinary tract. Causes. When the levels of water, salt, minerals, and other substances present in the urine are altered hereditary. Symptoms. Waves of sharp pain in the lower abdomen, back in the side, blood in urine, vomiting, fevers and chills, frequent urination, painful urination. Treatment. Smaller stone usually pass out of the body through urination and don't need any kind of surgery. In such a situation, the doctor asks the patient to drink plenty of fluids and collect the urine for at least 24 hours. This should be done to save the passy stone for examination. He also gives certain medicine to treat the pain.
So to keep our excretory system healthy, we must take fluids regularly, most especially water. Take 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, and that would definitely help us sweat more and excrete more of our waste. And also eat the right kind of food, like food rich in fibers. We definitely know that fibers helps in digestion, so that we can have a regular bowel movement. And also maintaining a balanced diet as well would definitely help us a lot. Now, you don't want to end up having a pile of waste inside you, don't you? So remember, excretory system is also essential on keeping our body healthy. There you go. So to give you a quick recap of what we have discussed about what is the excretory system, its parts and functions. And we also discussed about the common diseases that usually happens to our excretory system, and also with a quick advice on how to keep this system healthy.